Hello K friends, hope you are doing very well. Today I'm going to introduce one of the popular Korean noodle dishes, Jjolmyeon. Jjolmyeon is known for its incredibly chewy noodles that are mixed with a tangy, sweet and spicy sauce along with various vegetables. Let's get started. How to make a seasoning sauce. Let's start by making the seasoning. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, add 2 tablespoons of plum extract. If you don't have a plum extract, you can use apple juice instead. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, add half a tablespoon of minced garlic, add 1 tablespoon of gochujang, add 2 tablespoons of honey or corn syrup. Jjolmyeon should have a slightly sweet and tangy taste. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well. The sauce used in Jjolmyeon tastes even better when it's marinated. Vegetable preparation. Thinly sliced cabbage. Thinly sliced cucumber. Then slice it thinly again. Thinly sliced carrots. Thinly slice them as well. This is Jjolmyeon that I bought from a Korean grocery store. If you read the description, it says to boil it on high heat for about 5 minutes. Since it's frozen, you can leave it at room temperature for about 2 hours before using it. And the noodles that were stuck together will automatically separate. If the noodles are stuck together, separate them. Add about 2 handfuls of soybean sprouts to boiling water. Open the lid and blanch them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take the soybean sprouts out and rinse them in cold water. And then drain the excess moisture. Put the jjolmyeon in the boiling water that was used to blanch the soybean sprouts. Stir occasionally over high heat and cook for about 5 minutes. If the water starts to overflow while boiling, add a little more cold water. After 5 minutes, rinse the jjolmyeon several times in cold water to remove excess starch. If you have ice, add it while rinsing. It will make the noodles chewier and more delicious. Drain the rinsed jjolmyeon. How to plate. Put the jjolmyeon in a bowl, add the blanched soybean sprouts. Pour about half of the pre-made seasoning sauce first. Mix well. Place an appropriate amount in a bowl. Place the sliced vegetables on top, making it look nice. If you have a boiled egg, cut one and place it on top. Add a little more seasoning sauce if it is necessary. How to eat. Add some more seasoning sauce before mixing it. Mix it well. Wow, it's absolutely delicious. The sweet, tangy, and spicy flavors are amazing. How was today's recipe? I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.